Well, hello everyone. My name is Mark Ozzie Bell, and you are watching the Arizona Tourist. And today I'm here at the Pavilions Car Show, and boy, look at this beauty right here. Wow, this is the 1957 Corvette convertible, fuel injection, and this is my dream car right here. Absolutely love this car. And these go at Barrett-Jackson. They usually go for right around 100 grand. Yes. This one is fully restored, and boy, it's a beauty. It is a beauty. And then we've got some more Corvettes here. This would be the Corvette area. I see another Corvette over there, convertible. Another red one. Love the old Corvettes. They're really cool. Let's see. Oh, this is actually a Jag. This is a Jaguar Corvette, or Jaguar convertible, I mean. A lot of times they'll have them grouped together. It looks like we got a couple Jags here. Jaguar here, and oh, Austin Healey. Wow, very nice. Yes. Oh, there's another Corvette over there. So they do have a couple of the Corvettes together. Oh, here we go. Here now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 Corvettes over here. Here they are. Very nice. Convertibles. This looks like some newer ones over here. A couple of the newer Corvettes. Wow, look at this silver one here. Another convertible.
Alright, I'll see you, Joe. I'll look for you.
That's definitely one of the newer ones. Holy cow. Boy, that thing is sweet. Look at that. Nice. And we've got another Corvette here. Fuel injection. Quite a few Corvettes. Let's see. Here's another vet, a white one. Very nice. Another newer one. Yeah, so anyway, there's a lot of really cool cars here today. And beautiful weather. And this is at the Scottsdale Pavilions in Scottsdale, Arizona. And this is free to come see the cars. Here's another Corvette, a white one. Nice. Corvette Stingray. Yep. It's a very nice Stingray. Okay. So there's the Corvettes. Like I said, this one over here, the 1957 Corvette convertible, is my dream car right there. And those are the colors I like, the red with the white. Absolutely love that car. Okay. Oh, this guy's backing in here. We're gonna be in this guy's way. I gotta get out of the way here. He's backing in. Nova. Nice. Chevy Nova there. And then here's a yellow Corvette. That's a nice Nova. Kind of like a gray. Machine gun gray, I think is what they call that color. Alright. So yes, like I said, they do kind of have these grouped together. Those were the Corvettes in that area back there, and then over here we've got the Pontiac couple Pontiacs. Nice. Ooh, 1961. Wow, that's very nice. Then we've got the GTO. And then we've got the Trans Am. Oh no, that's Firebird. And then another GTO. I like the GTOs, those are really cool. Then we've got the, here's your Trans Am. The Smokey the Bandit car with the big eagle on the roof there, on the hood. Cool. Bad. Another Pontiac Trans Am here. Very nice. Another Pontiac. I used to have an old Pontiac Bonneville with the 400 big block in it. It was a great car, but terrible on gas. Got the big V8 400 in it. Another GTO, very nice. Mine wasn't restored or anything. It was actually my everyday driver for about 10, 12 years. Old 1977 Pontiac Bonneville is what I used to have. Another Pontiac here, another GTO. Alright, so, oh, there goes a nice one. Someone leaving. Alright, here we go. So these are all 1987 and older. There's a lot of nice cars here today. Wow. Alright guys, well I'm going to end this one here. Thanks for watching everyone. You're watching Arizona Tourist, and come out to the car show. It's free. Okay, bye for now.